And now the end is near, and so I face the final curtain.
Like we always do at this time.
Alright, so I have a lot of hidden talent, guys. And let's just say, singing is not one of them. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the JBL Dual Wireless Mic System. Now, dual because it brings two, duh, and wireless because there is no wires between the transmitter and the actual mic. So what can we expect in the box? In the box, we actually have our two headphones, our wireless transmitter, a USB-A to USB-C cable for charging, and instructions. That's pretty much all that comes in the box. Oh, and you also have batteries. Batteries are included with this device. I have them in already because I've been using them, but batteries are included with this device. Which brings me to my other point, guys. There are two different versions of this same microphone. There is these right here, which again, you have the battery that pop the battery in here, and there is another one that the microphone itself is rechargeable. They each have a USB-C plug into them. You connect them and you can charge them. Now, me personally, the problem I see with that is when I go out and when I do gigs or when I take these bad boys out, I use them and I don't remember to charge the battery. So let's say if I wanted to use these and boom, battery's dead. What do? Go to the bodega real quick, pick up another set, AA batteries, pop them bad boys in there, boom, 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 we good to go, right? If I had the other ones though, the ones that have to be rechargeable, I can't do that because then I would have to sit them down, charge them for at least an hour or 2 hours before they're actually usable again. And by that time, the party's pretty much done. No one's gonna sit around and wait 2 hours for your microphones to charge. Now that's me personally. I don't usually remember to charge my things. And when I do, it's usually last minute. So this is one less headache. The fact that I can just interchange batteries. It's one less headache for me to worry about. So setting these microphones up are probably one of the simplest things and easiest setups you can probably find. Now, they do come with the wireless transmitter. The wireless transmitter does have a 1/4 input jack right here. That's the big one right here. If your speaker doesn't have this, you guys can buy a converter, an adapter. It'll convert this into the 3.5, which is usually an aux plug. And most speakers have an aux plug. But I'm using the Samsung MXT70. That's my baby right there. And that one has the adapter for this. And all the JBL party boxes have this same 1/4 plug. The JBL 210, the JBL 310, and the new JBL 320. They all have this 1/4 plug. It's simply a plug and play process. Let's go to the speaker. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. All right, guys, so this is the speaker right here. Like I said, I do have a 1/4 plug input right here. That's where this is gonna go. The way this works, again, pretty simple, pretty easy. You have this device right here. This is the wireless transmitter right here. You see this button there? That is the power button. Once you turn it on, it'll glow like that. Once it's glowing, that means it's ready to pair. You just connect this right here. Boom, good to go. Now we get to the mics. When we get to the mic, same deal, same business. You just turn it on. It's gonna say on, and it's gonna automatically detect the channel. Automatically, you don't have to skim through any channels or nothing. It detects it. It should be working right now. Test, 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 test. There you go. Like I said, hold on. Because this speaker has an echo setting, so I can lower the echo and raise the volume a bit. But yeah, test, 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 test. So on the mic itself, it does tell you what channel you're on and gives you a battery percentage as well. Well, it has a little battery demonstration of how much battery you have left. Now, this one is low, but like I said, guys, with these, I can just go to the store, get up another set, and we're good to go. The way you change them is simple. You see right here where the JBL logo is? Let's turn it off. You twist this open, like so, and boom. This is where the batteries go. You just switch them out, pop new ones in, put this back on, twist it. So the cool thing about these as well is since you have two, when you turn the second one on, it'll automatically jump to a channel available and will work just as good. So now we have one, now we have two. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Seamlessly connected, seamlessly on working channels, each of them. Real simple, real easy to do, It don't get easier than that. Honestly, it don't get easier than that. Now, as far as distance goes, they go for about 30 to 50 feet, which is perfect for what it's made for. These aren't pro mics, so don't expect to go like 100 feet. 30 to 50 feet is what you will get out of these. Now, these are also good if you are a DJ. You can DJ with these. This is pretty much how I ended up getting these. I do DJ gigs on the side, guys. You could check me out. I'll leave the link to my Instagram here at DJ Poppy Boost. It's just one of my side hobbies that I do. I really enjoy it. Now, I got these because I had a gig and I ended up forgetting to set my microphones. So I ended up running the PC Richer, grabbed me these sets, and since then, this is what I've been using. Now, let me make one thing really clear, guys. These are not pro level mics. So don't go trying to do a whole wedding with these or like a pro level audio setup. These aren't pro mics. These mics were pretty much made for the average consumer, not a pro level person. You could do karaoke with these, or like me, I do mobile DJing as a side gig, not a professional. These work great, guys. But yeah, guys, one of my favorite things to do is karaoke with these. These are so great. You have two mics, give one to one person, give one to another person, and boom, 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 you good to go. Let me know in the comments, guys, what's your favorite karaoke song to sing? And now the time has come to end this video. That's it for the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.